Hello friends and colleagues, this is Dr. John Kim, Senior Faculty for the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. I am delighted and excited to be able to teach the Level 2 course, Diploma course, on November 8th through 12th, 2021 in Orlando, Florida. As you're well aware, you have finished the Level 1 course and now you can build upon that. And some of the topics that we will be covering in Level 2 are cosmetic dermatology, PRP microneedling, facial anatomy and other combined aesthetic treatments, as well as marketing and business strategies, and advanced botulinum toxin and filler techniques. And this course will allow you to take the next step in your journey towards obtaining your board certification through our academy. The registration information will be attached too soon to follow, and I hope to see you in Orlando, Florida for our 17th Congress of our Academy. Thank you and see you then. Bye-bye.